Om Namah Shivaya. First of all, I want to wish myself happy birthday. I don't like wishing someone because the reason is uh, when I was 2.5 years old, I lost my father in 1992, May 5th, and one of my maths teacher put the date of birth of mine is that 1988, May 16th. So I hate celebrating birthdays. If someone wishes me also, I will feel very sad and bad because I don't like it actually. But personally, I will celebrate the birthday. That is the different story. I don't want to celebrate with friends, family, or other people, but I will celebrate personally. That is the fact. And I will celebrate my father's death day as well. That is the fact one. It was written clearly and it was true, but my date of birth is wrong, but my father's date of death is right. Now I'm preparing small birthday special juice. It's a lemon juice. Okay. May 16th, Jagatguru Shankaracharya Jayanti. Today, one more greatest, we can call him a philosopher or a great priest or great motivator or great devotee or whatever you call. I forgot the name. One second. May 16th, Jagatguru Shankaracharya Jayanti. Jagatguru Shankaracharya Jayanti is also on May 16th. So, legends create the history, as said in that KGF movie. They born to do certain things. So today, legend born. I am not the legend. The legend is Mr. Shankaracharya Garu. Okay. So what I will do, I will just keep the phone like this. Then I can keep glass over here. Huh? So you want to see how I am preparing lemon juice. It's a completely handmade lemon juice because I'm having a lemon tree at my house. I have donated many lemons to many hotels and to friends. For pickle purpose also I have given to many people. Once I told one person to take 50 lemons, he has taken more than 200 lemons from my tree. So I don't bother because nature given me that facility. So it is there in my land. I may having the I can say that it's my plant or it's my tree, but in a broad sense, it's everybody's. Who the hell I am to say it's mine? Nobody has nothing here, isn't it? Nobody has nothing here. We don't have nothing here. Okay. One day we'll close the chapter. Oh, wonderful. Huh? One day we'll leave this country alone. As everyone know, we born alone. We live alone. Sorry, we can't live alone. We'll live together, but we'll leave this world alone. Nobody will come with us. Birthday celebration. Why? What is the purpose of celebrating birthday? We are reaching near to the death, and if people are celebrating it, it's completely wrong. Yeah. Who the hell? See, that is personal opinion. I don't want to blame someone. It's personal, completely personal opinion. Somebody want to celebrate birthday, marriage day, whatever day they want, let them celebrate. But as according to my situation, my family orientation, the way I grown up, the way circumstances where I faced the challenges. So I grown up in a such a atmosphere. So I hate celebrating birthdays in a group. Even Corona is there. I will celebrate only alone. There is a difference between loneliness and aloneness. Loneliness means everybody, society will throw him out. Alone means, in Telugu I can explain you better. ఏకాంతం ఏకాకి. ఏకాంతం అంటే ఏకాంతం అంటే మ్, ఏకాంతం అంటే అతను ఒంటరిగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాడు. ఏకాంతం. ఏకాకి అంటే అందరు వదిలేస్తారు అతన్ని, సొసైటీ వదిలేస్తే ఏకాకి. నేను ఏకాంతంలో ఉంటాను, ఒక్కనే ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తాను. I can make full because I have cut the 3 lemons, so we can make it full. Nothing to worry about it. It's a salt. Okay, once you will add salt, nothing to do much more things. Let me clean this chaku so I can club it or rotate it. Okay guys, this is lemon juice, my birthday special. Not only birthday special, it's a everyday breakfast for me, and every days every each and every day special for me. Today I'm making this video, that's why it might become special, but normally I used to have this juice. Okay, I don't want to taste it right now. It has to అది ఏమంటారు దాన్ని, కరగాలి. సాల్ట్ షుడ్ బి. ఓకే గైస్, అగైన్ మీ అందరికీ దండం, మీకు వందనాలు, నందనాలు, చందనాలు, అన్నినాలు. దిస్ ఈస్ మై హౌస్, యూ కెన్ సీ ఇట్ హియర్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద థింగ్స్ ఈజ్ అపియరింగ్, అండ్ ఐ కెన్ ప్రొజెక్ట్ సంథింగ్. నేను నన్నే చూపిస్తుంది ఏంది వీడియో అంటే ఆపోజిట్లో వస్తుందా ఎట్లా? దిస్ ఈజ్ మై న్యూ సెటప్ for doing all nonsense things, and from today onwards I have written something here, you can watch it. It's clearly mentioned what exactly is mentioned, where it is. This books అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదా? Then I will do one thing, I'll keep it here like this. I am incliner reverse. ఎట్లా మరి దీన్ని తీయడం? 1 second, let me change the mode. Let me change the mode. I can't change the mode. Okay, here is written is I am tobacco free. Are you? So from today I am gonna quitting the tobacco. Means all the form of what you can say, all the form of tobacco related, all these things. Okay. Bye friends, enjoy it. Thank you, I love you.